Hello everybody. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to teach you some signs, and I've asked Mark and Amy and Zuki and Sharon to help me. Now, when you think back of when you were at school, you might have seen us with our special children and we were doing signs when we were talking. And I thought you might like to learn some of those signs today. And our diamonds, you can practice with us as well. It will be a good chance for you to learn. So our first sign that we are going to do is going to be taught to you by Mark.
Good morning, children. It's Mark here. I'm sending you this message from the other side of the world because I'm right now stuck in Germany. This is on the other side of the planet. And you know what? I'm missing you very, very much. And the funny thing is, on the other side of the planet, it's actually turning into summer. So have a look in my garden. It's all green. There are no leaves falling. But my question is, do you remember this sign? Yes, I said good morning. See you soon.
Our next sign is going to be shown to us by Zuki.
Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you the sign for duck. 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 Duck.
Now let's see what Sharon has to show us.
The sign for today is fish. Fish.
And Amy has a special sign for us as well.
Chicken. Chicken.
This is our last sign and I'm going to show it to you. But before I show it to you, you're going to see the picture. And our last sign is bird. And the sign for that is this, bird. Bird. Can you do it with me? Bird. I hope you can practice some of those signs, and maybe the next time when we do see each other at school, hopefully not too long, then if you see us doing some of those signs, you might say, hey, I know that sign, and then you can do it with us too. It helps us when we communicate with each other to better understand each other. All the best, and I love you lots. Have a wonderful weekend.